spinning through the meaning of free spins. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, free spins. This phrase is common in certain contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. When you hear the words, free, and spins, separately, they're pretty straightforward. Free means without cost, and spins is the plural form of the verb spin, which means to turn around and around rapidly. But when combined, free spins often takes on a more specific meaning. In the world of online and offline casinos, as well as certain video games, free spins refers to a bonus where the player can spin the reels of a slot machine without paying for it. For example, if you're playing a digital slot machine game and you win 10 free spins, it means you can play 10 more times without deducting any of your virtual money or credits. People love getting something for nothing. In gaming, free spins offer players an opportunity to win prizes or progress in a game without any immediate risk. It's like getting an extra chance or a boost, making the game more exciting and rewarding. While the term is most common in gaming, you might hear it used in casual conversation, especially when talking about taking chances or getting something extra without a cost. For example, someone might say, "My coffee shop gave me a free spin on their prize wheel today." Here, it means they got a chance to win something without purchasing anything additional. There you have it. Free spins might sound like a dance move, but its real meaning is rooted in the world of gaming and chance. Whether you're spinning digital reels or just trying your luck, free spins always add a little thrill. We hope this video has been helpful, and next time you hear the term, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy spinning!